Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss next part of chapter 17. 17.3. In 17.3, we were discussed in previous video arithmetic mean. Okay, arithmetic mean sigma fx upon sigma f. If class is given and frequency is given, then calculate a arithmetic mean. Okay, by class first we calculate value of x, then find out a arithmetic mean. Okay, question number, last question 6, 17.3. Monthly salary given 1000, 1200 and number of employees given. Okay, table given, then calculate arithmetic mean. Monthly salary given, it means class given, so class and f frequency is given. So first we calculate a value of x from class interval. In between class interval 1000 and 1200, 1000 and 1200, it means middle between 1000 and 1200 is 1100, 1300, 1400, 1600, 1500, 1700 and 1900 in between. Okay, value of f frequency is given, value of x we calculate. Now according to formula, according to identity, arithmetic mean x bar means sigma fx upon sigma f. Sigma fx means addition of f into x. It means first we calculate fx, so f multiply x. 10 multiply 1000, 1100, 11,000. 20 multiply 1300, 26,000. 20 multiply 1500, 30,000. 15 multiply 1700, 25,500. 5 multiply 1900, it means 9,500. Okay, sigma fx means addition of these 1,02,000. Sigma f means addition of frequency 70. According to identity, arithmetic mean x bar sigma fx, value of sigma fx put here, value of sigma f put here. Solve out, we get x bar equal 1457.14 answer. Okay, next exercise 17.4. In exercise 17.4, we calculate mean. First question is find mean with the help of assumed mean. Find mean with the help of assumed mean. Assumed mean means according to given question, value of x and value of f given. Value of x 800, 820, 860, 900, 920, 980, 1000. Value of f frequency 7, 14, 19, 25, 20, 10, 5. Okay, we calculate mean with the help of assumed mean. Okay, for assumed mean, first we let assumed mean. Okay, assumed mean is let, assumed mean is let from x. Okay, assumed mean is let from x. Any value of x, any value of x, we let assumed mean. Okay, for easily calculation, we let assumed mean x from middle term, x from middle term. Okay, why? Because we solve out easily and we find out arithmetic mean easily. Okay, so in this question we let assumed mean. Here middle value is 900. Okay, you let also 860, 920, any value of x, any value of x We let assumed mean. We let assumed mean 900. Okay, mention assumed mean a equal 900. X and F. X and F given in question, mention as it is. Okay, now first we discuss about identity. Arithmetic mean x bar. Identity of arithmetic mean from assumed mean. It means a plus sigma fd upon sigma f. Here a is assumed mean, d is a difference. D is a difference. Difference of assumed mean and x. F frequency. Okay. According to this identity, first we calculate D and calculate F. Okay. Now X and F given in question, first we calculate D. D equal X minus A. D equal X minus A. Okay. Value of X given in question. All these value are in X na, and A is a assumed mean, and we let assumed mean is a 900. So first value of D in preference 800. Okay, d x minus a, value of x is 800. 800 as it is, minus minus as it is, a means assumed mean 900. 800 minus 900 minus 100. Second value 820. X minus a, value of x is 820. 820 minus a is 900. 820 minus 900 minus 80. Third value 860. So 860 minus 940. Fourth value 900. So 900 minus 900, 0. Fifth value 920. 920 minus 900. A na, a is same 920. Next 980 minus 980. Next 1000 minus 900, 100. Okay. Now then we calculate FD. F multiply D. F multiply D. Okay. F frequency given in question and D we find out. So F into D. 7 into minus 100 minus 700. 14 into minus 80, 1120. 19 into minus 40, minus 760. 25 into 0, 25. 20 into 20, 400. 10 into 80, 800. 5 plus 5 into 100, 500. Okay. Now we calculate sigma f. Sigma f means addition of f, addition of frequency. Sigma f 100. Okay. 7 plus 14 plus 19 plus 25 plus 20 plus 10 plus 500. Sigma fd. Sigma fd means addition of fd, addition of fd. Okay. Balance minus 700 minus minus. Added these one minus. Okay. And added these one plus. Okay. Now balance, it means we get sigma fd is minus 880. Minus 880. Okay. Now all values put in identity. X bar as it is, a equal assumed mean. Assumed mean is 900. 900 plus as it is sigma fd, value of sigma fd minus 880. Minus 880 as it is, divided by sigma f, value of sigma f 100 divided by 100. 900 as it is, plus minus, plus multiply by minus. Minus 880 divided by 100, 8.8. Okay. Now x bar equal 900 minus 8.8. 900 minus 8.8, it means we get x bar equal 891.2. So arithmetic mean of this question is mean by assumed mean is 891.2 is a answer. Okay. First calculate D, A assumed mean let from value of x, any value of x we let assumed mean. Okay, answer. Next question. Question number second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth as it is. 7 also as it is. Now discuss question 7. Okay. Class interval given. Class interval is 40 50, 50 60, 60 70, 70 80, 80 90, 90 100. For class interval 40 to 50, frequency is given 10. For 50 to 60, frequency 25. 60 to 70, frequency 28. 70 to 80, frequency 12. 80 to 90, frequency 10. 90 to 100, frequency 15. Okay. Class interval given, mention as it is, and frequency given, mention as it is. Okay. First we let assumed mean na. Assumed mean we let assumed mean from class interval na, from a class interval, and assumed mean we let from x. Here x is not given. First we calculate value of x from class interval. Okay, value of x from class interval 40 to 50, value of x in between 40 to 50, value is a 45. So 40 to 50, x is a 45. Okay. Or second method, 40 plus 50 divided by 2, also 45. 50 to 60, x is a 55, middle term. 60 to 70, middle term is 65. Now value of x is a 65. 70 to 80, middle value is 75, so x is 75. 80 to 90, middle value is 85, so value of x is 85. 90 to 100, value of x is 95. Okay. Now we let assumed mean from x. We let assumed mean from x. Assumed mean, for easily solution we let middle value. Okay, here 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 step, 2 and 2, 65 and 75. We choose anyone. We choose 65 or we choose 75. Okay, no changement. Okay, we let assume in a equal 65. Now a equal 65, then we calculate value of d. D equal x minus a, value of x 45 minus a equal 65. 45 minus 65 minus 20. 55, 55 minus 65 minus 10. 65 minus 65, 0. 75 minus 65 plus 10. 85 minus 65 plus 20. 95 minus 65 plus a 30. Okay. Now calculate f into d. F into d, 10 and value of d minus 20. 10 into minus 20, minus 200. 25 into minus 10, minus 250. 28 into 0, 0. 12 multiply 10, 120. 10 multiply 20, 200. 15 multiply 30, 450. Okay. Now according to identity, arithmetic mean x bar a plus sigma fd upon sigma f. Calculate sigma fd, means sigma fd, addition of f and d. Solve out. Okay. Now solve this. 200 and 250, it means minus 450. Okay. And 120, 200, 450, 0, 7, 7. Okay. 770 minus 450. 770 minus 450, it means remaining 320, mention 320. Okay. And sigma f means addition of frequency. Addition of frequency 10 plus 25 plus 28 plus 12 plus 10 plus 15, 100. Okay. Now according to identity, x bar a is 65 plus sigma fd 320, sigma f 100. 65 as it is, 320 divided by 100, 3.2 x bar. It means we get x bar equal 68.2 is a answer. Okay. Next question. Next, exercise 17.5. In exercise 17.5, find the median of given values. Okay, median calculate from given values. Values are given. First question 25, 34, 33, 13, 20, 26, 36, 28, 19 and 34. Okay, find a median. Median means middle term. Median means a middle term. Okay, first mention given values in a ascending order. Firstly written given values in a ascending order. Okay, ascending means a smaller to greater. Ascending means a smaller to greater. Okay, now firstly written given values in ascending order. Okay, smaller value 13, after 13 19, after 19 20, 25, 26, 28, 33, 34, 34, 36. Okay, 34 two time given, so mention two time. Okay, now firstly written in ascending order. Now we calculate median na. Okay, median is mid term. Median is a mid term. Here total term is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 term na. Okay, middle term is a 4 left side, 4 right side. It means middle term is a 26 and 28. Two term na. If one term is remaining, then answer. If two term is left, then added these two and divided by 2. Okay, in between two term, middle 26 and 28, so 26 plus 28 divided by 2. Because average calculate for number, average calculate of for two numbers, added these two and divided by 2. So 26 plus 28, 26 plus 28 divided by 2, it means answer is a 27. Median is a 27. Okay, next question, question 6. Common difference in between question first and second. Let's see. Find median 19, 25, 59, 48, 35, 31, 30, 32, 51. Okay, firstly write in ascending order. Now firstly these numbers written in ascending order. Okay, written 19, 25, after 30, 31, 32, 35, 48, 51 and 50. Okay, firstly written in ascending order. Then middle term is median na. Okay, how many terms in this question? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 terms. 9 terms means exact middle term is 4 on left, 4 on right, so middle term is 32. Middle term is 32. It means median is 32. Okay, only one term is left in middle, then it is a answer. If two term is left, if one term is left, then write as it is answer. If two term is left, then these two added and divided by 2, we get a median. Okay, common difference between first and second question. In second question only one term is left, so answer as it is. In first question two term is left, then these two added and divided by 2. Answer is 27. Okay, next, also find out median by given table. Okay, discuss in next video. Thanks.